Get it out the mud 901. Back once again with another product from Saker. I know what y'all thinking, man, where the riding videos at? Where's it at? It's there, and it's coming, and there's more coming. But in the meantime, done linked up with a great company, sending me lots of great stuff. So we're gonna check out this Saker mini angle grinder, battery powered. Great to have in your side-by-side, your ATV. Never know what kind of catastrophes you might wind up hitting in the trails and on the trails. Maybe this can help you get it out the mud. So let's see what we got here. The Saker mini angle grinder. And it definitely is a mini angle grinder. Now this is the same company that brought you the mini chainsaw. You should check that video out. That was a very, very handy chainsaw. I've actually used it several times in the trails. And right here we have the mini angle grinder. How cool is that? I mean, it's a handheld gun grip style angle grinder. Very, very cool. Of course, always it comes with a charger. So we got our little Allen wrench there. Comes with a set of blades and the battery. DC 12 volt. Straight out of the package, they always have some charge on them. I've been able to. Oh yeah, what a very cool and handy little angle grinder. Let's see what we got for blades here. Well, these little blades come with it. So we got us a sanding disc. Three-inch. So these are all 3-inch. So that looks like a metal blade to me. Oh yeah, diamond blade. I say that looks like a diamond blade for cutting tile. Done some tile work in my day. It's another, I believe this might be a diamond blade too. Maybe a polishing wheel. So yeah, it comes with all of these discs. And like I said, these are 3-inch discs. Man, this is gonna be super handy. Super handy. So let's load up one of these. Alright, so your red clip here, you see it goes all the way down, and you ease up on it to about right there, and that locks it in so you can turn your screw off and you can load a blade. So we found out real quickly what that's for. Let's put our sanding disc on there, because not saying I would ever try to sand down the entire picnic table with it, but we want to do a little test here. This is great for small projects for sure. You bust this out, you don't have to get your cords and none of that old good stuff out. And let's do a little sanding test on our picnic table here. Oh wow. Holy crap. And that's one thing about Saker, man. These little battery powered tools, man, they got some power, dude. Look at that. It's doing the job, son. This will definitely be going with us in the camper, because you never know what you might run into out there camping or on the trails. I got me a duffel bag, and I just keep all kind of Saker mini tools in that duffel bag. That little bad boy is doing its thing, Jack. I mean, look at that. Rolling, I swear to God. Awesome, awesome little grinder. So let's put it to another test. Let's get this metal wheel back on. Let's go over here, find us a piece of metal, and see how we can easily, or difficult it is, to get through it. I could see this being good for endless projects. Endless projects. So handy, man. These are such good products. All these like mini chainsaws, mini angle grinder. They have a lot of mini tools, but they do have full-size tools as well, and different things like levels and just a lot of cool stuff. But these mini tools are so handy for on the go, for say your camper. Definitely a lot of these little tools that I get from Saker I keep in my side-by-side or my four-wheeler and my camper. These are also great for around the house. Also have a power indicator right here for your battery level, but definitely for on the go and easy storage and easy to pack up. Definitely good for that. And let's go find us something to cut on. You know we like cutting stuff. Let's see our old trailer here. Yeah, there we go. I knew I had a couple little extra links on this chain right here, as you can see. So let's cut us off one of these links on this, or cut one off. You have no problem getting through that piece of chain. Wow. What a great tool. Voila, freed it up, and man was it cutting. That little dude is hot. Woo! Very hot. Had to pick it up with that other chain. Good smooth cut. Whoo, that sucker's hot. Saker mini angle grinder. What an awesome little addition to our tool set. I think we're gonna put this one in the camper. We're putting this one in the camper for sure. As a matter of fact, I might double up on every Saker product that I get, so I can have a set for my side-by-side and a set for the camper. The mini chainsaw, the mini angle grinder, the mini buffer. I mean, they have so many handy mini tools. I mean, it's great for what it's made for. Small applications, small projects, easy to get to, no cords jumbled up, none of that crap in the way. Just have your little charging station set up, or your batteries pre-charged before you make your trips out, and you're good to go if something goes down. You can get it out the mud, get it out the woods, get it clean, do all kind of things with the Saker line of products. So y'all go check out saker.com. I'll put a link in the description for their website and this product. And while you're at it, go join Get It Out the Mud 901 for all your off-roading, getting it out the mud, your camping videos, your Harley videos, and your product review videos. We're gonna bring you stuff that's cool and handy and go get you something to help you get it out the mud. Let's go.